Hello YouTube, today I'm really happy. I have just destroyed my Ipod Touch 4. Well, my story is that I have cracked my screen, I ordered a new one and I have installed it. But after I installed my screen, the Wi-Fi and the rear camera wasn't working. So I have ordered a camera and the Wi-Fi, and today that I have gone to put them, I have just cut the mainboard. And okay, it's not that bad. I may be able. Oh, I think it has destroyed more. I will be selling as parts now. The screen never actually use it, as I was waiting to fix it completely. And the Wi-Fi, it still has this thing to stick it, and the real camera also. Here is it. This is the good one. I think I have. Yes, I have this. This is the original that was on, and the Wi-Fi. They wasn't expensive, about 3-4 euros. I have bought the camera and the Wi-Fi antenna. But don't try to fix it by yourself, you won't make it. Or if you even do it, you will end up with something like this. I don't have it on the charger. It will be really dangerous. And that's the Ipod Touch inside. It's not something really important. The back cover. And that was about the video, to show you how you can destroy it if you don't know how to fix it, and how it looks inside. You don't have to open it by yourself. The front facing camera, the hole for the back camera, the battery, is the vibrator, and all this kind of stuff. These are the new ones. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe and do whatever you want.